Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is a quick video. Now I wear my hair mostly about 80% of the time in twists. I did my twisting tutorial a few months ago, so I'm going to make sure to post that video down below. But if I'm not wearing twists and I have taken out my hair so it's now in a twist out, chances are I'm going to wear a high bun. I do like wearing a high bun because it's super easy, super simple. I don't have to fuss with my hair at all. I can maintain the twisted or the texture that I have gotten from my twist out. And also I do like to wear it because it does play up on my cheekbones. So I'm going to just show you how I pull my hair up in a bun. Very quick natural hair tutorial. So let me go. Now, I don't like to fuss with my hair too much, and I don't put a lot of product in my hair when I'm making a bun. I know a lot of people like to have their edges laid and they like to make sure that they use a lot of gel. I don't use any of that. I don't care to have my edges laid. It looks great. I'm just not bothered enough. So I just like to pull my hair up in a high bun, and I always make sure to kind of do it so that you can see my gray streak running right through my bun. And I wear this especially when I'm going to the gym. I like to have my hair out of my face. So this is how I do my high bun. Super simple. I'm sure everybody knows how to do something like this, but I'm going to take off my head wrap, and now you see my hair is in a twist out. Really nice twist out. This twist out, the product that I use for this particular twist out is from a brand called Miel Organics, and I did a full review on the product that I have, and I will also make sure to link that below. So if I'm going out, you know, with friends, etc., I'll wear my hair down. I'll fluff it out a little bit so it can look a little bit more voluminous. But if I just run errands, I'm going to the gym, I'm going to dance class, I don't like to have my hair in my face at all. So usually what I do, I pretty much use elastics that are covered and that don't have the metal in them. You can get these elastics anywhere from the drugstore. You can also use an old nylon, an old piece of hosiery, and that also really makes good buns. So what I do, I'm going to flip my hair down. Usually I just flip my hair completely over, but because this is the video, I'm going to flip it down and gather all my hair up into my bun. And I like to have my bun higher up near to the crown of my head as opposed to lower down to the back of my head. I almost like to pull it up a little bit further forward from the crown. And I also don't pull very hard on my hair because I am trying to make sure that I'm not putting undue tension on my edges, especially since I've had my hair twisted for the last week and a half. So I gather all my hair up, make sure that the hair in the middle is also gathered. I don't want it to kind of shrink down. And you can either let your hair be poofy on the top, but I do like to tuck my edges in, my ends in, because I am trying to always protect my ends, because that's the driest, weakest part of the hair. And then I'm going to take my elastic, I'm going to pull it through almost as if but I'm not going to pull the hair completely through. So this is how I do my bun. Very quick, very easy. It's a great hairstyle. So, and then you can see my stripe that's running through, and that's a quick 5-second hairstyle that you can put together, and you can look very chic. This is great to wear to work. It's also great to hang out in, go to the gym in, or even go out. You can change your earrings and make sure that they, you know, will snazzy up the look a little bit. So I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. Make sure you comment and subscribe to both my channel and my email newsletter. All information down below, and I'll catch you in the next video.